One day I was diagnosed with gastritis, intestinal, and trust and believe me, I was in a bad place. I was throwing up blood. My stomach was burning like every day. Couldn't sleep at night. Couldn't sleep for like weeks. What else? When I used the bathroom, my stools was like really black. I thought I had cancer.
Wow.
You know, I really thought I had cancer, but I thought to myself, like, what if, I changed the way I eat? And ever since then, like 2 weeks later, everything was reversing back. It spread information throughout the whole world that we don't need pharmaceutical drugs to heal ourselves. We don't need vaccines. It's all about eating right and your wellness and your lifestyle. Yes, it is. It's very important. Trust me, very important. Because you have to understand,